Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I wanted to show this double aperture reveal wheel card that I made using CC Designs February-March stamp and die set. It's called February-March because there are a lot of different images and sentiments that cover different holidays and occasions throughout February and March. So I picked out initially 3 of the Valentine's images. So the Cupid bunny, the bee, and the 2 peas in the pod, because they have coordinating sort of punny sentiments to go along with them. So the bee has Be Mine Valentine. The peas in the pod has Peas Be Mine. And the bunny doesn't have a specific punny one, but there is just your standard Happy Valentine's Day as well. Ultimately, though, I decided to only use 2 of the images because 3, while it could fit, it was a very tight fit and it would have required me to be really spot on with my spacing. So let me show you the card. And it's a double aperture because, as you can see, there's actually 2 windows, and as I turn the wheel, it changes both the image at the top and the sentiment at the bottom. So I thought this was such a great stamp and die set for this mechanism. It just really cried out, having the double aperture so that you can match the punny sentiment along with the image that it's meant to go with. And for the background, I just did a lot of playing around with my Nuvo products. So it was a mix of glacier paste, embellishment mousse. I think I mixed some of the chalk mousse with a little bit of embellishment mousse just to get the little dotty hearts stenciled onto there. And I had a couple different size heart dies that I just die cut from the pieces that dropped out. That way it sort of matches with the background, but is a little bit sort of different as well. And that just adds a little bit more texture and interest, but because it's all the same color in the background, it just fades to the back a little bit so that the focus is really on the image and the love sentiment, which I think this is actually from a Pink and Main card kit, I believe, and I just stacked that up 3 times to give it some depth and some dimension. So if you want to see how I made this card, my tutorial video is actually on the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube channel. So I'll link to it in the upper right hand corner here, as well as I'll drop a link in the description box below. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye!